Hey guys, just thought it'd be fun to give you a little glimpse into my life. We're smoking today. There you go. I just started the smoker. We got a little Traeger. I got my pellets right here. Importantly, it's all run by solar. So there's my solar system. I got my shed, backyard here, and then in the shed is the system. Right, see those double blinking lights? It means my batteries are all charged. There's my two batteries right there, and battery for my camper is just charging, and we're fully working off the solar power today. What we got now is the remote thermal probe and the chicken. We use a little nutmeg spice company. It's called Beard Can Chicken Rub. Just a generic rub, and I'm gonna rub down the chicken. I'm gonna put that on the smoker for 10 minutes on smoke. Jack the temperature up to high for about 45 minutes or so, maybe a little less, till the chicken comes to temperature, and then we're jamming. And again, free power. Gotta love it. My number one piece of advice is to be liberal with the spice. Be liberal with the rub. It'll come out tastier. All right, so we're on the grill, or on the grate, I should say, in the smoker. Got a couple different kinds of baked potatoes in here, and in good shape. 15 minutes on smoke, and then bring the temperature, the chicken up to temp, and we'll be back. So we got some decent smoke action happening right now, and I'm gonna go in here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a probe into the smoker, right? And the reason I'm going to do this is I'm going to stick it right here into the chicken breast, and what that's going to do is connect to my remote probe. So I'm going to put that right here. It's pretty interesting to try to do with the camera. And what that does is allow me to be lazy and stay inside and know the temperature of the chicken remotely, so I don't have to worry about any of this until later. So this allows me to keep track of both the temperature that's inside the grill or inside the smoker, and also allows me to keep track of the temperature of the chicken. So right now the chicken is 87 degrees, and the temperature of the grill, the smoker, is 164. So we want to bring that chicken a little bit higher than that. Okay, so we have 173, 165 chicken is done. So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at the color of the chicken. It's looking good. We're looking good. All right, we got some happy campers. I'm going to use safety equipment to take the probe out. Do not grab that probe with your hands. Trust me.